Hey, what's up, Siacoin holders? Watch this video and be safe from the loss. What's the prediction? What's the opinion? Upcoming time, there is a chance to Siacoin is moving upward or not. Let's get started this brand video. Before I get started this brand video, I have just one request: to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone. All right, holders, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely gonna show you this time they are completely at the loss. My brother, if you could see this time, after a very long time, my friends, they fell down. You can see they completely and moving at this circulation to after a fail, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fell down. You can see here this time. Absolutely, at the end of month, at the end of this chart, my friends, you can see here at the end arrow as moving upward. So it's me to my prediction is going to show you to an upcoming time there is a chance to they will wake up and they will give you a profit. So absolutely, if they this chart is going to show you to the in upcoming time at the end they will give you, my brother, profit. So let's see, my brother. So this chart is going to be right or not. The last 1 hour chart is absolutely going to be very important. You can say, my brother, absolutely my prediction is going to be right. My technical analysis is going to be right. Plus 4.03% they take a jump. It's mean, my friends, today go in the moon. My prediction is going right. At the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So therefore, I tell you, my brother, to don't sell it. This is my, remember, this is not financial video. I just advise you, my brother, kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, at the end of month they will give you very good profit. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month and sell it at the end of month. And remember, the Siacoin is not good for a long-term investor. Especially this coin is not good for a long-term investing. Especially kindly you invest for a short-term investor. I hope, my friends, they will give you very good profit because the price is very fastly increased and the price is very fastly decreased. So therefore, don't see the short fell, my friends. Kindly you need to invest for a short time, and at the end of month sell it, and absolutely at the start of month buy it, and at the end of month sell it. And I hope, my friends, they will give you very good profit. So Siacoin holder, hope you understand, to at the end of month they will give you very good profit. Buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and keep touch with us. Absolutely, every strict channel is guide you.